Good evening, ma'am, sir. Tonight I will be reciting military knowledges. The first is the 11 General Orders. Sir, ma'am, Joe number 1. To take charge of this post and all government property in view. Joe number 2. To walk my post in a military manner, keeping always on the alert, observing everything that takes place within sight and hearing. Joe number 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. Joe number 4. To repeat all calls from posts more distant than the guardhouse than my own. Joe number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Joe number 6. To receive, obey, and pass on the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commanding officer, officer of the day, officer, and non-commissioned officer of the guard only. Joe number 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. Joe number 8. To give the alarm in case of fire and disorder. Joe number 9. To call the corporal of the guard not in any case not covered by instruction. Joe number 10. To salute all officers, all colors, and standard not case. Joe number 11. To be specially watchful at night during the time of challenging, and to challenge all persons or near my post, and to allow no one to enter without proper authority. 11 General Orders, Sir, ma'am. Next is the AFP Preamble, Sir, ma'am. We, the members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, imploring the enlightenment of Almighty God, in order to achieve and maintain a professional organization worthy of trust and respect, faithful to the constitutional mandate as the protectors of the people, the sovereignty of the state, the democratic institutions and integrity of the national territory, freely and collectively commit ourselves as our way of life to abide by and to adhere to the provisions of this code of ethics, which we hereby do ordain. AFP Preamble, Sir, ma'am.